While lowering a bundle of steel poles from a truck, the load suddenly slid loose and crashed onto the road due to improper securing. Fortunately, no one was in the drop zone. A crane was lifting a heavy steel coil onto a truck bed when the hook chain suddenly snapped, sending the coil falling freely. Luckily, no one was standing beneath it. A worker stood atop 7 stacked wooden pallets about 1.2 to 1.5 meters high to unload boxes. With no safe support to hold onto, he lost his balance and fell, a common cause of serious injury in loading work. A forklift turning too fast at high speed lost control of its load, spilling it right next to a bystander. Fortunately, the person was not struck. While a hydraulic clamp lifter was holding a steel coil for transport, one side of the clamp malfunctioned and lost its grip, causing the coil to become unbalanced, fall, and burst open. Coils like this typically weigh anywhere from several tons to tens of tons, so when one falls and unravels, it can send metal fragments flying or roll across a wide area, extremely dangerous to anyone nearby. A long, thick steel plate was stood on its narrow edge instead of resting flat on its wider surface, making it top-heavy and prone to tipping. While a worker was handling nearby items without securing it, the plate toppled and struck his foot. Given its weight and thickness, possible injuries include crushing, fractures of the foot or lower leg, or serious soft tissue damage depending on the point of impact. A worker was carrying a bag package with no visible warning labels to set it down, but the moment it touched the ground, it exploded. The lack of hazard labeling for explosive materials, compressed gas, chemicals, etc., meant the worker had no way to take precautions. An explosion at such close range can cause burns, injuries from flying debris, or damage to hearing and eyesight. A man was unloading granite slabs used for interior decoration that were stacked upright and close together. Although each slab looks thin, natural stone is extremely heavy per unit. When a supporting brace was removed or a slab was pulled out incorrectly, it triggered a domino effect, causing multiple slabs to collapse at once and fall on him. This is a dangerous type of accident because the combined weight of multiple slabs is enormous, even though each individual slab isn't very thick.